And even if they don't awake at this time the reason, each animal, each thing who is living in the earth is awaking any kind of karma depending what they are doing. But after we slowly became very short, very close to the human beings, then we awake the reason. Then when we awake the reason, the karma change so much. Why? Because our soul became individual. When we are in the animal step, our soul is collective. For instance, we say the collective soul of dog, collective soul of cat, collective soul of lion. But when we became human beings because we awake the reason, then our soul is individual, not is collective anymore. Then what happened when we awake the reason? You have more responsibility, and also you see life very different. Not is the same how the lion, how the cat, how the cow looks life. When we awake the reason, the panoramic of life change so much, and also you can suffer more than the animal, or also you can be with more satisfaction, more happiness if you know how to drive that reason. For instance, what happened to a monkey or to a cow if he doesn't drive a computer, if he doesn't have a dishwasher, if he doesn't have any machine? They don't take care for all of those things. They don't care for all of those things. And what happens when we awake the reason? We suffer because we don't have the things. We don't have the things that we need to use it. And even if we say before we didn't have computer, we didn't have so many technology, and now we have that kind of technology who help so much to develop ourselves. But also, if you don't take care, the suffering is increasing and increasing more. Then,
Oh. Going back?
Slowly. Then slowly we see the changing, and if we go maybe 20 years before ago, who was sitting like this? We don't have that kind of computer. We didn't have that kind of technology, and we are going to see later what technology we are going to have. If you know how to use it, you have the possibility to have a big advantage of that. Then, in the study that we are going to have today, it's very important that to see how the changing that we have in our life put the panoramic on life in different point of view. Then the next presentation that I'm going to show, each one is going to analyze slowly, and before that presentation we are going to present some picture. What happened when we sleep, what happened when we dream, what happened when we died, and what happened with the physical body. Then all of those things are, for instance, the body is only the car that we use to present it ourselves in this life. But it doesn't mean that we are the physical body. At the same time, when we attach with the physical body, we attach with many things. Then in the next presentation,